Myself, Dr. Anand Degoda, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, RLJD, Dubra. So today, we'll speak project management. So first, what is project management? So in this case, project management is the application of what? Knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques. So with the help of our knowledge and skills and tools, techniques. So here, what will manage entire project. In this case, in the project, main parameters are three parameters. Here, scope, time, budget. In any project, first we will define what scope of the project. Got it? So based on the what? If one's scope is finalized, so we'll think about the what time, then budget. If one's scope is finalized, based on the scope, we define the what? Time. Next time is nothing but what? Schedule. So one is project start and one is project end. So that is one thing. Then after that, so based on the what? Scope and time, we'll decide the what? Budget. So what is the cost? Main thing is what? How much it takes? It takes suppose 1 lakh or 50 lakh or 1 crore, depending upon the what? Budget. So types of projects. So what type of project is there? Here, first we'll discuss one by one. So based on first thing is what? Based on ownership. So ownership means what? Whether it is a public project or private or public-private. So public. So public project is just like what construction of the roads, bridges, okay, and education program. So these are the what public. And private. So private is the software companies. Best example for what? Private projects. Okay, softwares and real estate builders and marriage contracts, example. Right. Public, private. So this is just like what? Partnership. So this is what mutual agreement between the what? Government and so public and private. So this is complete giant venture of what? Central government and state government. So best example is for generation of electricity by windmill and garbage collection. Next, second one is there is the word investment. So first thing is what? Different. This is investment. Here large scale, medium scale and small. Large means investment is more. So example is just like what satellite sending projects of ISRO. So this funding is approximately 600 crores. The medium scale. Here this is just like the computer industry and electronic industries. This investment is in terms of only about 100 crores like this. Then small scale project. So these projects involve only what? Lesser investment. So best example is what agriculture projects and manufacturing projects. So your investment is only in terms of lakhs. Then based on the what? Sector. So here complete what? Agriculture projects, industrial projects and service projects. Here mainly on agriculture and your industry is related to what industries, whether it's a private or government, anyone, then service projects. Then based on what nature. Here we discuss what? Conventional projects and next what? Innovative projects. So here these projects are conventional projects. These projects are traditional projects, so which do not apply any innovative ideas or technology or method. So example is irrigation. Here no need to think, no need to think or no complete new ideas. Here everything is there. So just what we do as it is, as per the guidelines. Then innovative. Here we want what? Main thing is what? Here we want completely here we use the what? High technology, R&D, okay, and development of the new products and services. Here investment is more easy. Then based on the what? Objectives. Here completely commercial projects and social projects. Then based on the time. Here main thing is no investment and you know what scope. Here main thing is what? Time. So one is the what? Long-term projects, short-term projects, very short-term projects. Then based on the what? Risk. So here this is very important. Risk. High risk and low risk. In any projects, risk is there. So in the beginning of the project itself, we'll check whether the risk is high high risk and low risk. If it is high risk, the investment means budget is more because it will recruit more number of the employees depending upon the risk. So that's why in any projects, in the beginning only what we do, we will identify the what risk, what type of risk, low risk or high risk. Got it? Then project roles. If once project scope is finalized, okay, we'll define the what different project roles. In this case, project executive is there, project executive roles, then project management, then project associate roles. Again, here executive means what? Steering team, chief project officer, and sponsor. In any company, so they will define the what? Main, this is our top level roles. Executive roles means what? Steering team and chief project officers and sponsors. Next, so manager roles. Here, in any project, okay, so maximum responsibility take the what? Project manager. Because he only defines what? Project scope, okay, then budget and human resources, everything. So because so manager role is a very important role in any projects. Then functional manager. So his functional manager means so completely what? It's related to what? Technical related. So he knows about so what is that? Just like functional manager is what? Core team member, technical member, then facilitator, then senior customer representative. Means any project will take the what? Customer feedback. Got it? So any project first will take the what? Senior customer representative. Then after that, associated roles. Here, main thing is what? Core team member and subject matter expert. So here, core team member. Any project, core team member is important. He knows well about the what? Project. Then subject matter expert. Means depending upon the project, whether it is a design project or manufacturing project or quality project. Any project. So we'll check if it is design related, we'll hire from design only. If it is thermal related, so we'll hire what? Thermal. If it is manufacturing side, we'll hire from the manufacturing. So main thing is in any projects. So these different roles are very important. So especially so manager. So what is the role of the project manager? Means first thing is project. He knows very well about the project. He will study the project. Then if once after that he will discuss with our team lead and core team. Then after that we will discuss with what team member. Got it? So this is the main thing. Then core. What is the core? Core means so main thing is related to the what? That particular topic. Particular topic. So anyway, so in this class we will discuss only what is the roles. Then after that we will discuss what characteristics of the project. So what is the characteristics? So here major important characteristics are temporary, definite beginning and completion, then definite objective scope and unit, defined time and resources, and multiple talents. What is temporary? So projects is not permanent, it's just like temporary only. So some projects are 1 hour project is there, some projects are 1 year is there, some are 10 years. Okay. Anyway, completely project is temporary. Okay. Then definite beginning and completion. So always we'll start the project. So exactly in the beginning what you want, we'll fix the beginning date and your completion date. Then definite objective, scope and unit. So in any projects, so what we'll do, we'll fix what is the objective of the project and what is the scope of the project. Okay. Then define time and resources. Here exactly 1 year means 1 year project and how many resources. So we want 10 resources or 20 resources depending upon the what? Project. Then multiple talents. Means multiple talent means so in any projects always we want what? Different departments. So best example is for manufacturing of laptop. So in that for manufacturing the laptop, mechanical engineering required. Okay, then after that electronics is required and software is required. So got it?